So do you want to see one of the easiest affiliate marketing strategies that anybody can use? I'm going to show you that and how one of my students did about $1,800 in affiliate commissions in just one day. So before we move on, let's just go over this really quick. It says, man, I owe this all to you, but yesterday I ended the day making $1,832 in affiliate commissions. This is more than I make at my 9 to 5 in a month, and it is all because of you. If there is ever anything that I can do for you, just name it. I owe you a lot more than you'll ever know. Thanks again, and I'll let you know how I end the week. Now, I'm excited to see how he ends the week for one. But second thing I want to just tell you guys, affiliate marketing is very easy when you break it all down, okay? From by chunk by chunk by chunk. If you try to do all this stuff at once, it's very difficult. So I'm gonna break it down for you. Now, I'm not gonna show you exactly what he was promoting because honestly, that's for him. If he can make money, keep doing that. That's great. But I want to show you how you can come up with your own ideas and how you can almost guarantee your own affiliate commissions. Now, this is stuff I teach inside my affiliate marketing course. I'm gonna explain that in just a second. But let's say in one of the sites I recommend you are affiliate for is a site called ClickBank. There's so many offers. So let's just come up with something. I don't know. Should I do something new? Something I don't always do. Let's do home and garden. I don't do anything with home and garden. Let's see. Let's just do garden. I do home stuff every once in a while. So let's say that's not a very good affiliate commission. And maybe there's a reason why I don't do a whole lot with gardening. There's not a whole lot of money in it. But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick out something. Let's do green products. Okay, we're gonna pick something here. Now here's what I want to show you guys. Okay, because here's where a lot of people struggle. And the biggest thing that people struggle with is how do they get traffic? Well, you get traffic from Facebook. Now here's what I want you to do. And you can, I recommend you start your own your business page. Don't do it on your personal Facebook page, but start a business page on Facebook and create a video. It can be a bunch of videos. It could be one video, but create a library of videos, okay, and promote them. Promote them to just anybody that wants to see them. All you want to do is try to get traffic. The reason why, because as long as your title on the video, as long as your video it's pretty clear what it's going to be about, the people that watch it, let's say they watch 50% of your video. Once that happens, all you have to do is, as long as you go back to into Facebook, go to your Power Editor, and I know some of this stuff might be a little bit over your head, but it's key, okay? Create a Facebook video. If somebody watches 50% of it, then you retarget them with an ad that talks about what your bonuses are and what your affiliate offer is, okay? For example, let's say I was doing affiliate marketing, okay? I do a video on how to make money with affiliate marketing, what is it, how people are doing, how you get in it, explaining the whole thing, the whole business. Then I'd hit them with a retargeted ad, and I'd send them to a landing page talking about, maybe these are my bonuses for affiliate marketing. This is, actually, let me show you. I think I have it still up. Yeah, so this right here is ClickFunnels. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's just pretty much click, drag, drop. You can make your whole site. But here is my affiliate marketing monsters course. Okay, you can see over here on the right hand side. This is what we're going to talk about, and this is what is key. If you aren't in the affiliate marketing monsters course, as long as you get in before, probably within the next week or so. Right now the price is $399. Once I switch over to this platform, the price will go up to $497, but it's because you get all these bonuses. The nice thing about this is that, let me give you a little plug first, that if you get in now, anybody that gets in before the price goes up, they automatically get access to the new site as well. So they get all these bonuses as well. So get in before you have to pay an extra $98. So here's what I'm talking about right here. So I do a video, I hit them with a retargeted ad and send them to a landing page. Landing page would be something like this, talking about all the bonuses, but it wouldn't have all this information to go and buy it. Okay, that's different. I'd give them all these bonuses, and then at the bottom I'd say, to gain access to these $7,379 worth of bonuses, make sure you buy this product or this course, And so somebody could do this whole thing with my own course. Okay, but now let me walk you through if we did it for somebody else. Okay, let's say, where are we at? Here we are. Let's say we do a green product. No batteries. New home solar energy system. Let's see what that is. Okay, let's open up that one. Here we go. I hate sites like that just have a video. So we're not going to actually promote that. We're going to leave that one. Let's do build new container home. No. DIY solar panels. Let's do that one. Let's see if that one's on there. Okay. DIY solar panels. Alright. So you got a video. Wonderful. The reason to build 3D solar panels, the system, all this stuff, save money. Okay. I think this would be a good one. Now, if you guys want to take this and run with it and try to make money with this, go for it. But so I'm just going to do, I'm going to talk about this one, okay? So let's say we're going to do this on solar panels, $37 solar panels. So here we go. $7 solar panels. Okay. Bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, bonus 5. Okay, we're going to have 5 bonuses with this. The reason why is because, let's go right here. And this is exactly what I was telling him. This is what you need to do. You need to offer bonuses because when you have your landing page, okay, and like I said, I use ClickFunnels. You can do whatever you want. But what I do is I hit them with a video. I hit them with a retargeted ad. Then I go back and I send them because now this is actual, traffic that people want to see or want to know about this because, and I know this because they watched a video, let's say it's an 8-minute video, they watch 4 minutes of a video. Who watches 4 minutes of an 8-minute long video or more will watch that much of it and not have an interest in what it's actually talking about? That's why when you hit them with an ad, these people are actually targeted because they want to know about solar panels. So you're targeting solar panels, people that are interested in that. Because of that, it makes the conversion rate on the landing page much higher, which makes being able to sell this affiliate offer so much easier, especially when you couple that with a bonus offer. So let's say, okay, so DIY 3D solar panels. Okay, that's one thing. So chances are, if they're going to pay $37 for this one-time fee, wonderful. They want to know how to build their own solar panels. Chances are they want to save money on electricity. So bonus number 1, let's see, 25 super home hacks to save on your energy bill. Okay, and that we'll put that. Well, the value of that one is, we'll just say that's a $49 value. It's probably more. That's probably like a $99 value, maybe even more, because to save on your home energy bill, that's huge. Okay. Again, if you want to take these ideas, create them, run with it, go for it. It's all you. So bonus number 1, got that. Bonus number 2, let's see, they probably 15. Let's see, 15 easy ways to cut back on water sewage. Okay, so this is gonna, and that will be probably a $39 value, maybe a $49 value. Now you can inflate the value a little bit, but you really want to put value in these things. Okay. Bonus number 3. Again, I'm just trying to come up with these off the top of my head, which is hard because I don't know much about solar panels. Let's see. Let's do. See what should we call this? The energy domination. Yes, energy domination workbook. Tips to store solar solar power. Okay, probably like a $24. I'll do 29. I like the 9s better. Bonus number 4. Okay, here's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna change this one, and this one's gonna be, how to make money selling your excess solar power. Okay, this could be like a $149 value. I have no clue. But honestly, I know there's a lot of people that make money by selling their excess solar power. I know this for a fact because I actually was approached by somebody to promote something like this. So, $37. Let's just get rid of bonus 5. I'm having a tough time thinking of stuff on the fly, and to make this video not be a 50-minute long video, we're gonna shut it down here. So, $37 solar panel guide. I'm not sure what it is, but true value. Okay. So the true value of this is actually, what is it? 99, 49, so let's say 150, 180, 180, so $330. So was that 326? I think 326. Okay, so there we go. And there's a strike through. I don't know. Somewhere. It doesn't matter. Okay. So that's what it is. Okay. There it is. There's strike through. Okay. So for only $37, what they're going to end up getting is they're going to end up getting this 3D solar panel, a whole course thing, which is great. They're going to pay $37, so they're already getting $12 off right here. Awesome. They're saving money. But on top of that, they're getting your bonuses as long as they buy today through your affiliate link. Okay, and once they buy, then they just got to go and send you their email address, and so you can confirm that they actually bought it, and then you're going to send them all these bonuses. This is why I make sure that you have these bonuses created, because once they buy, they want to make sure that you're obviously going to send it to them, right then. So you just send them an email, and you send them the 25 super home hacks to save on your energy bill, the 15 easy ways to cut back on water, sewer, energy domination workbook, tips to store solar power, and how to make money selling your excess solar power. Now these are 4 bonuses. Normally you'd sell for $326, but you're only having to pay $37 today to get all this. That is how he ended up making $1,800 in one day from affiliate commissions, is because he really crafted his bonus. Okay, here's the key. Once they do this, once they watch a video and you retarget them with an ad, send them to your landing page, and let's say your landing page looks like this one. Okay, but a little bit better. Obviously doesn't have a checkout page. This is my checkout page right here, so obviously it makes sense. But you set it up, make sure that they see what their bonuses are, and all they have to do is go and gain access to this course. Okay, when they buy the course, make sure they buy it, today, because obviously your affiliate code is going to be in there. It's going to be in their computer. Chances are it's going to have a cookie attached to it, all this stuff. Okay. So as long as they buy today, and really they can buy even a week from now, but get a little bit of urgency going. As long as they buy today, they're going to get all this value, okay, for only $37. Okay. That's how you make a sale. That is why this is one of the easiest affiliate marketing strategies, really ever, because by giving away all these bonuses, and people do this all the time. You may have seen it before. Tai Lopez gives away bonuses. Grant Cardone gives away bonuses. You ever watch any of Russell Brunson stuff? He gives away so many bonuses, and that's how you do it. If you want to make sales, that's what you need to do. So if you want to make $1,800 in a day, you got to have the right offer. You got to have the right email sequence. You got to have all this stuff set up. But it's possible, but as long as you're adding bonuses to your offers. Okay, it doesn't matter what the offer is. As long as you're adding bonuses to it, you should be perfectly fine. So once they're there and they see, okay, I'm gonna get all that stuff, and it's only gonna cost me $37. All I gotta do is go buy this affiliate, this offer right here. Great. Okay, it's $37. No big deal. That's perfect. And I get all these bonuses just by buying today. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So once they buy it, then they send you an email and you send them all the bonuses. But on top of that, now you have, okay, because if they go and buy, they send you an email, or if you have, let's say, an opt-in where they can say, send me an email or send me a guide on, how to make my own DIY, solar panel. You can send them a free little guide, free little cheat sheet, and then you give them the whole course, and that would be this affiliate offer right here. Okay. So on top of sending them to that affiliate offer, you can also create your landing page where, as long as you have their email address, you will send them a free offer, you'll send them a free guide, maybe an additional bonus, all this stuff, and then you really target them down here in your email sequence. But honestly, as long as you set up your landing page right and the offer is not too expensive, $37 offer, a lot of people will start to buy this simply because it's a decent offer. When I say decent, it's decent, but the landing page, the bonuses that you have there, just push it right over the top. Okay, instead of a $50 course that they're buying for $37, because really, who's gonna save $13 to spend money now on something they may or may not need? Yeah, no big deal. But when you're saying, hey, it's normally going to be a $400 package and you're only getting it for $37, there's going to be a lot of people jumping on that. Okay, you can have a crappy offer and just killer bonuses and people will still jump on it. I know this because I've tested it. Okay, so that's what you do. You want to make $1,800? Do that. Okay, so like I said, if you're interested in Affiliate Marketing Monsters, I'll put a link in the description box below. And right now, okay, right now as you're watching this, if you're watching it on January 12th, 2018, this offer, this page is not live yet. It's probably live in the next week or so. So what I recommend is get in, because anybody that gets into my original Affiliate Marketing Monsters course gets access to all these bonuses as soon as it becomes live. Okay, so if you're ready for that, you're interested, do it now. Save you about $98, and yeah, really got nothing to lose there. So anyway, if you have any questions on, what is this strategy, how it works, let me know in the comment section below. If you want more videos on affiliate marketing and just the different strategies I use, make sure you comment below. Let me know what it is that you've been trying to do, what maybe hasn't been working, and I can do videos to answer those questions, okay, kind of combat that. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.